privilege. Today we're going to do Boston fish chowder. Now, I've cooked all over the country, and I have to say clam chowder is what most people think of when it comes to chowder. In terms of chowder, the only thing that every chowder has, whether it's clam, corn, or fish, is potatoes. And it's actually a fisherman's stew. It's the kind of thing that a fisherman would cook when he came home after being out on the water and it was very cold, and it really makes you feel good. And today I'm going to show you a very simple version. For me, where I'm from, Boston, fish chowder is almost as prevalent, if not more so, than clam chowder. And frankly, it's easier to do. So let's get started. The first thing we need to start with is bacon. Now, classically, it's salt pork, which looks a lot more just like the fat of the bacon, but I happen to like the meatiness of the bacon, and that's the way my family's done it, so I'm not going to change tradition here. We also have onions. You can use Idaho potatoes, just regular old russet potatoes, but I kind of like the new potatoes, and I've got gold and I've got the red bliss or the red new potatoes. I like to finish with a little bit of scallion, and next is the fish.